In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your website's navigation panel to enhance user experience effectively. Whether you're adding new links, pages, or creating drop-down menus, these instructions will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's dive in by first accessing the navigation panel. Start by clicking anywhere on the header section of your website. This header area is usually found at the top of your web page. Once you click there, you'll notice an icon appear labeled either Edit Navigation or Pages and Navigation. Click on that icon and voila, you should see the navigation panel open on the left side of your screen. Now that you have the navigation panel in front of you, let's look at adding a new link or page. If you want to add a link, simply click on the Add Link option. At this point, it's important to give your link a name that clearly describes where it leads. Once you've renamed it, you'll need to choose the destination for your link. It could be an external web address, an email, or even a specific section of your own site, depending on your needs. Similarly, if you're adding an entirely new page, click on the Add Page button. Here, you'll have the opportunity to select the type of page you want to add. Take a moment to also pick a page thumbnail, as this will help you visualize the page within your site structure. Now let's talk about organizing your site using drop-down menus, which can make navigation more intuitive for your visitors. To create a drop-down menu, you can drag a page slightly to the right beneath an existing main menu item. This visually nests the page under the main item, effectively creating a drop-down menu. Another way to set up a drop-down menu is by creating an empty drop-down slot. You can do this by clicking to create one, and then dragging and dropping your desired pages into it. Once you've added links, pages, or drop-downs, it's time to customize them to your liking and save your work. Start by renaming any new link or drop-down menu if you haven't already. You also have the option to decide whether the link should open in a new tab, which can be useful for external links. Additionally, making it a no-follow link can be a great SEO practice, especially when linking externally. Finally, the crucial step to ensure all your changes are reflected on your live site. Click on the Update button in the navigation panel. It's important to follow this by selecting Update Website if you want these changes to go live for your audience to see. By following these steps, you've now effortlessly updated and organized your website's navigation, ensuring a seamless experience for your visitors. Happy editing!